that I'm the one who wrote this song for her. They'll come up to me and say, Did you really? Did you really write that song? I say, yeah, I really did. Oh, we thought it was somebody taller. Or someone darker or whatever. Not younger. No, not younger. But yeah, I'm the one that wrote this song. Oh, I was still in high school at the time, so cannot help. Okay, we're gonna bring my wahine out here to dance this beautiful song. And I always extend an invitation to all of the hula, namea hula out there. If you want to come up and dance along with Tita, that's fine. If you want to dance in the shade where you are, that's fine too.
Want to dance on the table? It's fine too.
Go ahead. Yeah? Okay, anyway. Song for all of you. We especially want to say mahalo to Sister Elsie and Brother Mel and all the folks with the Halau Kukuna Okala for inviting us over here. Big hand for those guys. Elsie, Mel, and the whole gang from Halau Kukuna Okala. Also to Hula Halau Moloka'i for also sponsoring us and bringing us up here and, being a part of this day today. Big hand also for our one of our MCs over here, Tita. Where are you, Tita? See right there, doing a fantastic job introducing everyone today. And also for Brother Sherman providing the sound. Thank you, Sherman. Yeah, Sherman and I go back about 40-something years too, boy. Woo! If not more. My goodness. Anyway, this song is for all of you here on Moloka'i. We are headed back to Oahu today to take care of, our kuleana. But we'd like to take your aloha back with us. If you'll accept our aloha with mele and hula today. So, mahalo, Moloka'i. They say that the moon will shine down upon you when you say in your Hawaiian way, I love you too. The stars tonight, when I hold you tight, they seem to say in their Hawaiian way, I love you too. As the trade winds, they gently blow your hair, so I can treasure each moment that we share. But tonight belongs to you and I. When you say in your Hawaiian way, I love you too. One time. They say that the moon will shine down upon you when you say in your Hawaiian way, I love you too. You know I do. The stars tonight, when I hold you tight, seem to say in their Hawaiian way, I love you too. As the trade winds, they gently blow your hair, so I can treasure each moment that we share. But tonight belongs to you and I. When you say in your Hawaiian way, I love you too. When you say in your Hawaiian way, I love you too. Our lovely Velina, mahalo, Moloka'i. Aloha, ahui ho, mahalo mapono. Blaine Kia on the guitar. Kalei, kalewai.
Weymouth Kamakana Jr.
Thank you.
And he's not from McKinley.